guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own GoPro pole mount to get the best 360 camera shot. When I saw the shots of Jeremy, I got really excited about these shots, so I started thinking, how can I make this mount myself? If you click this video, you've probably seen a lot of these 360 shots already and they look pretty dope. You might bought one of these 360 cameras for yourself. But now you're wondering, how can I use this 360 camera to get these epic shots? If you did some research, you probably found the mount sold by Sailvideosystem. Their mounts are really good, but they are also very expensive. So if you don't want to pay more than 250 euros to buy just one of these mounts, check this video and I will show you how you can make one of these mounts by yourself for less than 50 euros. What you will need first, of course, is an old harness or a new one, but I definitely suggest using an old one as you might destroy it. This is still an experiment. This is what my harness looks like. Anyone knows what this is? Well, it's a flag pole holder and I bought it on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. It only costs $10 and it is supposed to be rust free. So that's very important when we're going to use this in salt water. In the inside you can see a plate with the screws. My first idea was to put the plate on the back side to get some more stability. Then I had a little talk with a guy who makes harnesses for disabled people, and he told me if I put the plate here on the back side, there would be a big chance that the screws would be pulled out of the harness. So that's why we decided to put the plate on the inside. The plate is made from plastic, so it's very flexible, and I've tried it already and it doesn't hurt at all. Later in this video I will show you how you can put some sort of neoprene above this, so you really don't feel anything from it. For the screws, you want to make sure you have rust-free screws. My first plan was to drill through the harness to get the screws in, because I saw that in another video. But in that video, the guy was using a hard shell harness. For a hard shell harness, it's better to use a drill, but if you're using a soft shell harness, I wouldn't suggest it, because the drill would destroy the harness. Instead of drilling, we melted the 4 holes for our screws. Alright, let's go to the pole. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and might consider subscribing to my channel. You want to find a pole as long as this one. You can basically buy this everywhere, or you might have it in your house from some random tool you're not using anymore. Then I ordered this GoPro Surf fin mount on Amazon, and I will also put a link in the description below. The price for the mount is $8. So far we only spent $18. We drilled a little hole inside the surf mount and connected it to a little metal plate, and we've put it inside our pole and then connected it with this very strong screw. To finish this, I decided to seal all the edges and the screws as well. Before I did this, water will still be able to go inside. We really don't want any water to enter a pole, because I filled it with some kind of floatable foam. So if in any case the pole breaks with my camera on top, the pole will still be drifting on top of the water. Now everything is sealed very clean. Clean is not the right word, but let's say it's sealed very well. As you can see, I also sealed the other side of the pole, and there is still some 30 pieces of the foam. It got a bit messy, I must be honest. This is the product that I use. Enough, guys. This is basically some kind of sealing for rooftops. This is water resistant and UV resistant. So this is exactly what you want to use to seal your GoPro mount. Here you can adjust the angle of your pole. In case you want to soften the back plate at the inside of the harness, you can buy a Velcro like this and put on the neoprene like this. As you can see, it sticks very well together. The other side of the Velcro has Scotch tape like this. You can just pull off the sticker. You paste these stickers over here and then you will put the soft plate like this. Now I'm going to put the pole inside the harness. This shouldn't be too difficult. I just put the harness on. This is what it looks like. Make sure you don't hit anyone with it. This is the result. It looks pretty stable. Shit. Now that our harness is ready, we're gonna try it out with the camera on the water. Let's go!
Never been as broke as me. I like that. When I was young, I had 2 pair of leaves. Besides that, the pinstripes and the gray. The one I wore on Mondays and Wednesdays. While niggas flirt, I'm throwing tigers on my shirt and alligators. You wanna see the inside? I see you later. They come the drama. Oh, that's that nigga with the fake. Wow, why you punch me in my face? Stay in your place, play your position. Here come my intuition. Go in this nigga pocket, rob him while his friends watch it. That hoes clock it. Here comes respect. His crew's your crew, or they might be next.
If you have any questions about the products that I use, feel free to send me a message or give a comment. If you want to see more crazy, fun, creative stuff, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Get some epic shots with your GoPro mount. If you're going to make one of these pole mounts by yourself, send me your videos that you made with this mount. Thank you for watching, guys. See you!